In this lecture, we will discuss how to save and export our files. Here we have an image opened, and I'm going to add a text layer by selecting the Type tool, or you can get it simply by pressing the T key. Then I will left-click to start typing. Once I have finished typing, I will accept the text by clicking the tick mark here at the top. Now if you look at the Title tab, we get an asterisk on the outside of the bracket, which means that we have some unsaved changes. Notice if I undo my work by pressing Ctrl Z, that asterisk disappears, which means we don't have unsaved changes. So let's redo our work by pressing Ctrl Shift Z. And now we have the same asterisk showing up again. So in order to get rid of the asterisk and save our document, go to File menu and choose the Save command, which has a keyboard shortcut of Ctrl S. And now it asks me where I want my files to be saved. I will choose Save on your computer. Then navigate to the folder that you want your file to be saved. And then type a name for your file. And then select a format from the Format drop-down list. I am going to save it as a Photoshop PSD file. Then click Save. And now you have your changes saved and the asterisk has disappeared. Now let's export our file by going to the File menu and choosing Export, then choosing Export As. The Quick Export option also can export files, but we are going to use the Export As command, which gives us lots of options to work with. So go ahead and click on it. And here we are inside the Export As dialog box. And here we have many options to work with. For example, we can change the export format to PNG, JPEG, GIF, and so on. And also we can determine the quality of the image, which is currently set to 100%. We have the option to change the image size and type in the width and height values. Also, we can scale the image to the desired ratio. We have the option to resize the canvas. And also we have the option to export multiple copies of the image in different sizes by clicking on the plus icon here at the top. As you can see, we get multiple copies of the image with different scale values ready to be exported. Now export your files by clicking on the Export button, then select the destination for your files to be exported. And that's how you save and export files inside Photoshop.